This is the second segment of the routings training. In this video, you will learn about and practice OR routes with conditions. You will also see examples of applications for conditional routes. Conditional routes allow the selection of a path based on information on the entity or on model conditions. Use a conditional route to select different paths, for example, based on an entity's cost. To continue the example, items over a predefined dollar amount require a purchase order, a long, controlled process. On the other hand, things under the dollar amount only need a credit card, a shorter, simplified process. After the entity finishes work on the activity, it tests the route to find a true statement. If the condition is true, the route is taken. The previous example uses the conditional route, which requires an attribute. An attribute is user-defined information that travels with the entity. You can find out more about attributes in the online help. The simulation tests routes in the order they were connected. If you want the routes checked in a different order, disconnect and reconnect in the desired order. The conditional routes are powerful and flexible, solving many complex modeling problems. For example, you could change the process flow based on the time of day. ESPN has a different security check-in process for contractors with badges before 8 a.m. Or you could change the process flow based on availability downstream. Anderson Windows splits production into two separate paths. However, if one path stops, the other must continue processing. Conditional routes are great for changing the flow based on downstream checks. You could even cause every entity type to follow a unique path with conditional routes. PeaceHealth imports patient information and changes the routing for every patient using conditional routes. This means they can build a model with unique flows for each of 10,000 or more patients in less than 3 days. Building a model using this technique uses advanced concepts provided with a built-in model object. All you need to do is modify a template like the one shown. There are unique versions for different industries. This template is completely documented and preloaded with your software. Open the model titled Conditional Routes. Follow the information on the layout guides you through the learning process for this model. If you have trouble completing the instructions, open the Conditional Routes completed model and see the implemented changes. Thanks for watching this video segment about conditional routes. The next video segment teaches how to create an AND routing and how to assemble or combine entities. If you have questions, start by contacting support@ProcessModel.com. When you email ProcessModel, it is best to send your model along with an explanation of what you want to happen. Usually, within a few minutes, we can diagnose and suggest a solution by return email. As needed, we will recommend a phone call or an online meeting to assist you better. We'll look forward to talking with you soon.